World Sleep Day. March 15th is observed as World Sleep Day, an annual event aimed at raising awareness about the importance of good sleep and its impact on our health. Getting adequate sleep is essential for our physical and mental health, yet many people struggle with sleep-related issues such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and other sleep disorders. Lack of sleep can lead to a range of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and depression. The theme for World Sleep Day 2023 is Regular Sleep, Healthy Future, emphasizing the importance of establishing good sleep habits for long-term health and well-being. The campaign encourages people to prioritize sleep as an essential aspect of a healthy lifestyle. On this day, various events and activities are organized around the world, including educational seminars, sleep assessments, and community outreach programs. The goal is to raise awareness about the importance of good sleep hygiene and promote healthy sleep habits in individuals and communities. So if you are struggling with sleep-related issues, World Sleep Day serves as a reminder to prioritize your sleep and take steps to improve your sleep habits for a healthier future.